Dinede niya yung dede ko. Kala niya nanay niya. Kita niya yung ipol ko, dede niya. Hindi ka dyan. Dinede niya yung dede ko. Kala niya nanay niya. Kita niya yung ipol ko, dede niya. Hindi ka dyan.
Kapag sinukuan ka na, o sinukuan mo na yung sarili mo. Tingnan mo ko ngayon. Kung sumiko ako hanggang hindi ko kayo nakilala.
Hindi,
At hindi ko kayo magagawang turuan. Na isa sa pinaka-importanting bagay ngayon sa buhay ko. Matatalo ka lang sa buhay. Kapag sinukuan ka na, o sinukuan mo na yung sarili mo. Tingnan mo ko ngayon. Kung sumiko ako hanggang hindi ko kayo nakilala.
Hindi,
At hindi ko kayo magagawang turuan. Na isa sa pinaka-importanting bagay ngayon sa buhay ko.
Ayan si Kulito. Kung ano-anong ginagawa. Ayan. Ito yung isa, dito lang siya palagi. Halibdib ko. Pero ito, si Mocha. Lahat curious siya. Lahat tinitignan-tignan niya. Ito, si Behave. Yan. Wala nang ginagawa. Yeah. Ayun si Happy Person. Si Mocha. Mahilig maglaro. Masyado siyang happy. Yan. Hindi siya yung laging nag-i-stay sa isang lugar. Nag-ikot-ikot siya palagi sa bahay. Maglaro-laro. Yun na. Hindi tulad ng isa. Pag upo ko na, akyat kagad sa dibdib ko. Ayan. Masyadong loyal. Masyadong loyal at very sweet. Yan. Yan lang siya palagi sa dibdib ko.
Nasaan na si Cherry? Ang aming team na
Guys, this is black yak. And this is mocha. Every time I lay down, they lay down also in front of my chest. What a loyal kitten. And Mocha is very playful and happy kitten. Time for taken off.
High-value treasures. Unlike recycling, which often results in the same product being recreated, upcycling is about elevating waste materials to craft higher quality items with added value and purpose. Join us in experiencing the magic of upcycling through Sentinel Upcycling Technologies. Sentinel is dedicated to rescuing single-use packaging waste and ingeniously transforming it into long-lasting.
Bigyan siya ng open career opportunities for me. Naging daan din siya para mas maging mabuting tao ako. And now I dedicate myself to helping people find their best voice at their workshop for public speakers so that we can find their best voice ever. Buhay ang mali. Yes, that's all. That's why I'm always being able to be
Gonna be like, let's go there and see how it goes. I figured 6 months, 1 year, and we go back.
What happened? Now it's
I
what,
fell in
10
love.
years.
I fell in love with the Filipino people. Really, see, we were doing charity events every Sunday. We would go to a church and sing, and I would do chiropractic on people, just charity.
Are you happy now with the Philippines?
Very happy. I love that we live the best of both worlds. We can still go back to San Diego. I can see my family, and I love San Diego. And then, of course, we're still here, and we're taking care. We're helping so many people. So I love that. And of course.
This is our favorite spot. He always stay beside my neck. And this is the other one.
Anyway, nung simula matamis, puno-puno ng love. Araw gabi-gabi po, video ko.
Relaxing time.
Gabi message kayo. Opo.
Watching TV.
Andra po sa basta.
And this is black yak. Mocha. Mocha. Mocha, come here. What are you doing here? Huh? Come here. Come here. Say hi. Say hi.
Enter unlock information.
Alright, let's play round 3. Here we go. Miss Mina, masasabing masama ang iyong panaginip kung dito hinahabol ka ng alin?
Aso?
Aso! Sumisit! Mr. Kiko, masasabing masama ang panaginip
Kung dito hinahabol kayo ng
Serial killer.
may galon, serial killer. So, sir, makuha natin, magbigay ng ingredient ng embutido.
Flour.
Flour. Harina. Nasaan ba ang flour o harina? Wala. Okay, Johnny Passerblade.
Play.
Okay, may sarili ka pa rin muna tayo. Let's move on. Johnny Rolling Team. Ito, sasangguan na. Amelie